Welcome back to part 3 of the 1905 farmhouse renovation. So much is happening on the farm and I'll walk you through it. So here we are having a dump truck load of gravel dumped for an RV pad. We're going to use the RV for cooking and bathroom since there is no kitchen in the house. Here we got some goats. I'm renting goats at the moment to clear some of the property, and they have been doing amazing work. They've been clearing out all these blackberry bushes, and it's going to take a long time, but they're getting it done. So this is the progress that they made. You can actually see this trailer, which before it was covered in bushes, and they're uncovering that little Volkswagen Bug, along with these other cars that I have to get junk titles for and get removed from the property. And we started painting. The whole house is getting a new facelift, and we're starting upstairs in the bedrooms. The kids were so excited to paint with me, and they were super stoked because they got to go to Home Depot and pick out paint with me. They picked out this color for the hallway. We picked out their room colors, and they all got to see their rooms come to life. And my dad helped so much. He's been like the lead on this project, doing amazing things. Without him, I would not know what to do. I am not a professional whatsoever. I am learning as I go. Just like most people who buy a fixer-upper, we're not made of money and we don't know what we're doing. So this was a really special moment with my daughter, teaching her how to paint and just having this time together. These are memories that I am going to hold on to forever, and just knowing that everybody has put some sweat equity into making this dream come true and being a part of making this our home. It's beautiful, and I'm so excited. And today we got all of the painting done. So we have a little bit left to come in and do some touch up and brushwork and do the window trims, but that's it. So we are working on that tomorrow, and we're going to try to get this floor laid and trim, and then our house is almost halfway done. Then we have to start tackling downstairs, which is a whole nother project. My dad kept making fun of us for having paint all over our clothes, and there was paint in our hair and everywhere, and then my dad had no paint on him. Look at that, the beautiful wet paint. It looks beautiful. It's not that ugly yellow anymore. I gotta come and do some brushwork, but it's so pretty. Look at what an improvement that is. We're gonna get the floor started. This is a bedroom, and yes, my children picked up their own paint. I like this color right here. This right here. Look at all the beautiful patchwork my dad did. We still got more work to do in here. Gotta tear up all this linoleum and the rest of the carpet strips. But look at this. My dad made a 2-code attic access. This used to be a hole right here, and it was the attic access, so. And then, here we go. Remember that closet and that desk that was right here? Yeah, that desk was covering this hole. So, gotta patch that up. That's all the plumbing to the bathroom. And my daughter picked out her own pink. And her closet, she wanted it pink too. So it's starting to come together. It's looking like a home. It's looking really good.